Subject code ME8792, Power Plant Engineering, Unit 1, Coal Based Thermal Power Plants. Introduction. Power station capacity in India. Installed power station capacity in India as of September 30, 2018 is discussed here. The various sectors which manages the power station in India are central, state and private. The different types of power plants are thermal, nuclear and renewable. In thermal, we have energy supplied by coal, gas and diesel. In renewable, we have a combination of hydro, wind, solar, etc. Now, the thermal power plant supplies energy about 64.34% of the total capacity supplied in the country. Nuclear power plant supplies 1.97% of the power required by the country. Renewable energy supplies 33.69% of the energy required by the country. Here, the most important point is nuclear power plants are completely managed by only the central government. The breakup of other renewable energy sources are wind power, solar power, biomass power and gasification, small hydro and waste to energy. Total number of thermal power stations in India is approximately about 300 as on 31/3/2018. A thermal power station is a power station in which heat energy is converted to electric power. In most, a steam driven turbine converts heat to mechanical power as an intermediate to electrical power. Water is heated, turns into steam and drives a steam turbine which drives an electrical generator. Types of thermal power plants: almost all coal, petroleum, nuclear, geothermal, solar as well as many natural gas power stations are thermal power plants. Coal based thermal power plant. A coal fired power station or coal power plant is a thermal power station which burns coal to generate electricity. Nuclear power plant. A nuclear power plant is a thermal power station in which the heat source is a nuclear reactor. Diesel power plant. A diesel power station, also known as standby power station, uses a diesel engine as prime mover for the generation of electrical energy. Gas turbine power plant. The gas turbine is the engine at the heart of the power plant that produces electric current. A gas turbine is a combustion engine that can convert natural gas or other liquid fuels to mechanical energy. This energy then drives a generator that produces electrical energy. Coal based thermal power plants in India. First coal based thermal power plant in India, Hussain Sagar Thermal Power Station. The Hussain Sagar Thermal Power Station is the first thermal power plant in India, commissioned in 1920. Its capacity was 22.5 megawatts and used to consume 200 tons of coal per day. It existed on the banks of Hussain Sagar, now called as Tank Band, Hyderabad. The biggest coal based thermal power plant, Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station. The Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station in the Singrauli district of Madhya Pradesh, with an installed capacity of 4760 megawatt, is currently the biggest thermal power plant in India. It is a coal based power plant owned and operated by NTPC. Top 10 coal based thermal power plants in India. The Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station in the Singrauli district of Madhya Pradesh, with an installed capacity of 4760 megawatt, is currently the biggest thermal power plant in India. It's a coal-based power plant owned and operated by NTPC. The 4620 megawatt Mundra thermal power station located in the Kutch district of Gujarat is currently the second biggest operating thermal power plant in India. It is a coal-fired power plant owned and operated by Adani Power. The 4000 megawatt Mundra Ultra Mega Power Plant, also located in the Kutch district of Gujarat, ranks as the third largest thermal power plant in India. It is a coal-fired power plant owned and operated by Coastal Gujarat Power Limited, a subsidiary of Tata Power. The Sasan Ultra Mega Power Plant, located in the Sasan village of the Singrauli district, Madhya Pradesh, has an installed capacity of 3960 megawatt. Owned and operated by Reliance Power, it is one of India's biggest power plants integrated with a coal mine. The Tiroda Thermal Power Plant is a 3300 megawatt coal-based power generation plant in Maharashtra, India. Owned and operated by Adani Power Maharashtra, the power plant consists of 5 660 megawatt units. The Talcher Super Thermal Power Station or NTPC Talcher Kaniha, located in the Angul district of Odisha, is a 3000 megawatt coal-fired power plant owned and operated by NTPC. Rihand Thermal Power Station is located at Rihand Nagar, Sonabhadra district, Uttar Pradesh. Owned and operated by NTPC, the coal-fired power plant has an installed capacity of 3000 megawatt. The 2980 megawatt Sipat Super Thermal Power Plant in Sipat, Bilaspur district, Chhattisgarh, ranks as the 8th largest thermal power station in India. It is a coal-based power plant owned and operated by NTPC. The Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station is a 2920 megawatt power plant in Chandrapur, Maharashtra, India. It is the biggest power plant operated by the Maharashtra State Power Generation Company. NTPC Dadri or National Capital Power Station, owned and operated by NTPC, is located in the Gautam Budh Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh, about 48 km from Indian capital New Delhi. The power station, with an installed capacity of 2637 megawatt, 1820 megawatt coal based and 817 megawatt gas based. Thank you. Watch next video, Unit 1, Rankine Cycle, Improvisations.